I brought my camera to the intersection of 23rd and Valencia on February 1st around 8 a.m. The intersection of Valencia and 23rd Street, bikes have their own crossing light that allows them to switch to the protected bike lane that goes from the side to the center. Then the bike light turns red and cars have a green light. Yellow means speed up, right? Right? Yeah, that sounds right. The green lane is for bikes only. It's not for right turns. And that truck runs the red light. I've only been filming for 10 minutes. That did not take long at all to capture footage of someone speeding through a red light. More cars flying through the light after it's changed. That's not how that works. You can always tell when a car's creeping like this, they're about to run a red light. And there he goes. Runs that red light. Got tired of waiting. There are still some cyclists coming in the bike lane. You'll see them in a second. And, oh man, so fast. The car turning in the bike lane again. You get a sense as a cyclist or pedestrian when cars are about to do something stupid. You can kind of see that car rocking at the red light, creeping forward and forward. And you know they're going to do something stupid like get stuck in the middle of the intersection at a red light. And this cyclist slowed down knowing it's not safe to be in front of that car. Good call. More cars turning from inside the bike lane. Some of them go fast. This is a cab. Should know better. Oh, and if you were waiting for a cyclist to run a red light, hey, there it is. That was it. About 43 minutes into filming. Really not as scary as everything else that's happened. Hey, there's that creep again, just inching forward. Gee, I wonder if this person's going to gun it the first chance they get. Let's find out. And there's the bike light. And there's the dude who was creeping the whole light, just not waiting. Just running through it. All right, my GoPro battery died, but here's a few more cars turning from the bike lane. Some of them, man, fast. Some of them go so fast. This one, there was a cyclist in the lane. And then this one scared the crap out of me. Huge car, just not even stopping at the red light. God damn, that was fast. Last year, 2 pedestrians on Valencia Street were killed by motorists as they were crossing the street. Valencia Street's new protected bike lane is a huge improvement for both cyclists and pedestrians, but there's still so much more we need to do. The city's original plan was to build parking protected bike lanes that run along the sidewalks of Valencia between the cars and the sidewalks. Local businesses pushed against that plan, claiming it would take up too much parking. These awkward center lanes are the end result. If you're a frequent visitor on Valencia Street, ask your favorite shops to support the parking protected bike lane, or go to bettervalencia.com for more information. But let's be honest, the problem isn't bike lanes, it's drivers.